Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we're gonna be making a very elegant Christmas card. So here's my cardstock, and then I have this embossing folder. What you see in the middle, the pinkish, that's just the example for me to see the outcome before I do anything, just to see that I like it or not. I do that with everything I own to make sure that I don't ruin anything or waste time. So I did an embossing on using that on a white paper, slightly smaller than my cardstock. Just gluing the back and then putting it right on top. Nice, and it kind of looks like it's snowing, so that's what I really love. I have this baby blue cut out of like Christmas trees, forest trees, which I think was so beautiful, so elegant. I got it on Aliexpress, and with my glue I'm just gluing the biggest parts that touches the paper, so I don't see the need to glue every single millimeter of my die. So I'm just putting glue on the bigger parts. I'm gonna place that in the middle, a little bit lower than the middle. Very nice, like that. And look at that. This already is so elegant and beautiful. And I have seen cards like this, and it's minimalist cards, and it's sold on Etsy for a ridiculous amount of price. I mean, people sell their products for as much as they think it's worth, but for what I see, I would not spend $11 for this. And I also have three snowflakes in three different color. This too is the same, but I have a lot of pre-cuts that helps me put cards together quicker. So I just pick out a few that I like and then see which one matches best with each other. And I wanted to play with the shades of blue for this card. So we get a dark blue, a baby blue, and a gray. Well, not really a shade of blue, but it matches so well, and it's the closest to snowflake. Then I have this really adorable Christmas set, and I found this Merry Christmas sentiment is the perfect size for this. It does not touch any of the snowflake, so this was perfect. Black ink. I mean, you already know how to do this, so I saw no reason to film all that stamping part, but it came out really nice. I just want to make sure that the first stamp is perfect and I do not have to restamp it, because the sentiment is pretty small. So when you restamp a small sentiment, there's a big chance that it will melt a little bit just to the edge or look a little too thick. So I think it came out perfect. I love it. It's minimalist, it's beautiful, and happy holidays.